Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make Goulgoullah. This is a very traditional and very old recipe from Mauritius and I brought it here in Canada. I want to make it today. I feel like having this type of snacks. Sometime it happened. Let me take you to the ingredients so we can get it started. We're gonna need some all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, milk powder, coconut powder, and fennel seeds. We also need some water and oil for frying. To my flour, I'm gonna add my sugar, milk powder, coconut powder, and my fennel seeds. Now this is just 2 cups of all-purpose flour and I am using only 5 tablespoons of sugar. If this is not enough sweets for you, you can definitely add a little bit more, or if this is too much for you, you can reduce it by 1 or 2 tablespoons according to your taste. So just mix this well. Add your water gradually, slowly, so you don't add too much. This is just room temperature water, just tap water. And then now we're gonna make the dough or the batter. Smells is already good in here, and this is how it's supposed to be. That thickness, see that? And now this has to rest for only 10 minutes, not more than that. Just cover it, leave it on your kitchen counter for 10 minutes. And then in the meantime, we can preheat the oil, and then we're gonna start frying this after 10 minutes. And it's been 10 minutes. And now I just forgot to tell you guys, into my flour, I had a bit of baking soda as well, which I forgot to mention earlier. It's gonna unwrap this. And my oil is preheating back there. And now we're gonna go start frying Goulgoullah. Alright guys, so my oil is preheating. It's hot enough. I have my Goulgoullah batter over here. I have my tray lined with paper towel. I have a bit of water. Now anytime before you dip your hand, if you are making this by hand, you need to have some water just beside you. Just dump your hand, your fingertips inside the water, and then it will be so much easier for you to grab the Goulgoullah, because the dough is a bit different compared to other dough or batter. And now each time you're just gonna dip your fingertips into the water. So that was just a little tips, and now you're gonna just keep going. Don't let the oil get too hot, because of the milk powder, your Goulgoullah gonna catch the brown color quickly before it cook inside in the middle. The outside gonna be like really brown. Okay, so you can see Goulgoullah has a brown color, and this is how we normally eat Goulgoullah. I'm gonna start removing the one that is very brown and then leave the rest. In the meantime, let the oil drain completely. I already have my plate with a paper towel. Now I'm gonna go, before I go to the second batches, I'm gonna reduce my heat a little bit, because the oil gets very hot and your second batches maybe get brown quickly without cooking inside. And now I'm gonna repeat the same process. My Goulgoullah is ready and nice and hot. I'm trying to break this, and I want to show you the inside. Smell is so good. I don't know if I can eat it. For me, the sugar is enough, and if you see this is not enough for you, just add a little bit more. The recipe is down below. Get it? Click the like button. Don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.